Let's install ImagePrint Red for Windows. Select the download for Windows, and while that's downloading into your Downloads folder, you'll want to install the USB dongle that came with your package if you have it. After you install the dongle, select Activate License. This way you can obtain your license key and copy it to your clipboard when you're asked for it during installation. Once the download completes downloading, you'll want to go to your Downloads folder to launch the installer. Read the license agreement and select Agree, and then Install. Select Yes, and the files will be copied to your hard drive. Now once the files finish copying, select OK, and IP Setup will appear in the background. Select it. Your dongle number should now show up in the upper left-hand corner. Select Add Printer, Continue, and enter your license code. Now this is the code that you copied to your clipboard. Remove the 0 and paste it in. Select Continue, and the red package will automatically be chosen based on that license code. Select Done, and you'll see Red Large was installed and the status is licensed. You're ready to X out of that, and now you can launch ImagePrint for the first time. That's all there is to installing ImagePrint Red on a Windows computer.